Okay, looks like we're live, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano script. Yeah, it has been a few days yet again. This week I have finals and stuff, so I'm not gonna be streaming as much as it has been the last couple days. But then next week, and the following weeks after, I should be able to get back to a regular schedule. That is the plan. So, let's see. When we left it off, I think we were in somewhere where it was generating it, but it wasn't linking properly. So I'm gonna be continuing to work on linking with C libraries, right? So that is the idea. So let's see what we have here. So we include this one, and we have add 10. So let's look at dot .c, right? We have this one. So this is what we're trying to call. So if I run this, I think it doesn't work, right? Yeah, it says undefined symbol native add 10, so it doesn't like that. So it's not linking with that properly. So I think it might be the order of this, actually. I think that I wasn't able to look into it the last few days, because I have been busy, as I said. But let's see. So I think it's something to do with that. So if I go here, and let's look in here, and let me go here, and run in the end, so I can look at the message. So go to where we're calling that. I think I might need to switch those around because does not quite work like that. No, I don't need to do that. But I need to change which is which, right? Go ahead and do whoops. Need this. This one to be last. And then this needs to be the new funk, right? And we can get rid of why is there two? Okay, there's two of the same ones, so that is fine. So if we do that, and then a lot of extra tabs there. Seems like that, I think we need an extra code. Let's see. Does that work? Still no. Did it switch them though? So looking at it, it did indeed. So that is what I wanted to have. Pretty much, right? So I want to show that we're linking with this one, but this is the actual C. I think that happens by default though. So I might want to compile that into an object file first though. Could that be a thing? I just want to make sure that the stream announcement didn't go out because it didn't last time. It seems to work. So stream chord, stream elements, whatever it is, seems to be working this time. I just wanted to make sure of that. So, alright, let me get rid of this, right? Well, actually, so that's the output file. Right. Right. I do that. Okay, yeah, it doesn't like that. I know what that was. So I need to fix that as well. We'll get to that because I want to get this right. So we're doing something wrong here. So we have the output, right? This might need to be +1. Probably not, though. It is loading it. Right, and this is the one that it's calling it from. So it's not find that in .c. Doesn't find this. Okay. Well, no, that's not supposed to be like that. So, right. If I compile this. So, okay, and that seems to work. Without errors. Wait, native add 10. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we don't need this. We want that to be void. They should all be void, so I need to fix that. That was an issue with the function thing. Alright, so it needs to just basically be a void right here. Void. It's always going to be void, because it's never going to actually return something. It just returns via the stack, right? I really don't think that's the issue, but you know. And I messed something up badly in here. It doesn't like that. Too many arguments both format. Did I remove something? That's still right. I don't need this though. Extra thing. Let's see, that's right. Really don't know what it is then. Oh, it's 365, so it's actually higher. So I messed it up here somehow. Oh, shoot, okay. Because I forgot to remove the... Okay, I'm stupid. My bad. Just can get rid of that. There we go. Then compile it. It still says this though. So undefined symbol. I don't know quite why it would be undefined though. Alright, let me right down here. Let's see, what is it? Let's see, I get rid of that. Actually, let me go to the native, right? Get rid of this, right? And then try to compile it again without linking. And implicit declaration, right? So it's gonna say that regardless. I think I want to get rid of that. I'm gonna comment it out, right? Just gonna test some things, right? I think. Yeah, I need to comment all of this out basically. And I'll make sure that it still looks right. So.c is there? Yeah, okay. So it got rid of just that. That is ideal, right? That's what I wanted. And then we have this. So it still links with that. So it still should be fine. It just has that warning when compiling, right? And we have this. I'm gonna change this so that I don't have to deal with all the error codes, right? So out, right, like that. I don't want to do that. There we go, that's what I wanted. Okay, and I can get rid of that one. And then, so this is what we are, that one's what we're linking with. So let me look at GCC, right, like, well, can I do, alright, can I look at this? So how do we, like, have libraries? I close that, and I open it up again. There we go, my bad. Okay. It's like dash I or whatever, right? Let's see. Right, do they have to both be those? Right, well, so we are compiling them into that. Let's see, I need to think, right? Because we're calling that. I want to compile them together, though. Right here. So I'm not very good at GCC, so I'm trying to figure it all out, you know? And same times, right? Both of them at the same time. I don't know if you can do that. Alright, what if I compile like that? So I compile that, and then we link with both of them. So let me see. So we compile it first, and then we can just compile them both together as object files. So if I do, go ahead and do that. Let's see, both of those. Let's move this up here first. Okay, so we have this, and we'll make another one. So we're gonna have two, right? So we'll compile this one just to compile that, and then we will link them together. Well, we just want to compile them together into another one. Can we do that? Let me see. So let's do out, right? Out.so, and then do .c, make this .c, all that. And then run it. Let me move all of the .so. Okay. Lib.so, and I accidentally got rid of that, so I have to compile that one. It's lib.c, right? Sure, yes, okay. Show lib.so, lib.c. Okay, and then run it. And then all the object files that we have are the ones that we're going to want to use. So we have lib.so and that. So let's do lib.so. The output will be new.so, right? So we need that and then lib.so, both of them together. Let's hit declaration of add 10, but it's still compiled. And it still should work. Okay, so if I do that, and I'm gonna make it out.so. That one. So let's try that, right? So let's compile it first, this one, and then, well, okay, actually, I just use, yeah, so I use the C file. Okay, so that should be fine. So we don't need to. Right, I'm just thinking, man. I'm trying to process. So we have that, and we need to link with it, of course, of course. No, we do. Okay, so we have the out dot so. So let's use that as this, right? Out dot so, and then size of out dot so. They both split up. Okay, that might have to be cast. Okay. Still says that. So we did compile with that. Right, so we got both of those. I'll make it like that though. Okay, so we can't open the shared object file. So we can't open that one. Should be linked list. What about linked list? We do have out.so. But oh, okay, it needs to be dot slash. Okay, dot slash. Binary trees, yes. Yes, yes. Those are things indeed. Depth first search, and can't forget about breadth first search. I can't pronounce it properly because I'm stupid, but yes. It's breadth, not breadth. With a D. So can't open that one. Why is there that one? Don't care. Didn't ask. Okay, I can't open that. Why is that? That's from this, right? Why get rid of that? No, you don't take out for that. It's not from it. That's why is it trying to open that though? That is what I want to know. Don't get it. Cannot open a shared object file. Why does it not crash right now? Well, actually, let's go. Just load right here. Let's exit when it's right? That makes sense. To exit there. Okay. Build this. Hello, Sigma. How you doing? Pricing some data structures. How is that going? How's that going? Okay, so it crashes there. So that is what I want. So it can't open lib.so. So why is it trying to open that? I don't get that. Let's do this. Good, good. Glad to hear it. What until it wasn't anymore. Yeah. Algorithms and data structures. Well, data structures too. They get kind of like that. I'm used to saying those together, so that's why I said that. Named by text, that's right. Where's the so coming from then? Let me maybe do a GDP here. Let's break on run instructions and run. Let's see. So then we go through the whole thing, and now we're here. It's a little messed up, but that's fine. So we load all those and go here. Let's print our machine instructions. Data IP dot IP. So this is pushing a string. So let's see what this string is. It is that one. Okay, that is correct. Right now, binary search tree insertion, deletion, and find. All right, all right. Are you following like an online course for it, or is it for school, or what is the deal with that? String. That one. Okay, that's the right. Okay. Oops. All right, so it's opening it. So what is function name? Is that do that? That failed. Okay, so it's because it's trying to look at that, I suppose. Primogen free course. All right, Primogen. Nice, nice. Front end masters. So like JavaScript. Okay, so we need. It doesn't say that though when I do that, so I need that, I suppose. Now it says this. Okay, function pointer cannot be null. Right, so maybe that shouldn't be an assertion. Using TypeScript, but you are translating your explanations. Okay, into Go, into Go. Yeah, Go is probably pretty good for that, I would imagine, since you don't really have to worry about necessarily the memory management part of it, but you get some other, you know, we got to deal with like object-oriented stuff as well, so things like that. Yeah, okay. That seems like it'd be a good language for that. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Why can it not find that? Mm-hmm. Get distracted and need to restart the video. Yeah, I get that. I get that for sure. It's not the wrong order. Mm-hmm. Right, let me get rid of that. Do this. Do dash O. So. The declaration. Okay, and then we compile this. Okay, I did it wrong because I need to do that. Okay. Hmm. Right. So. Why is it undefined though? Right. So what if I do this one first, just like that. Then you jump together. So that okay. So let's see, and then also dot. Not FSC, but the dot. So it does that. Right. And not quite simple. Okay. So it goes like that. Let me put this back, right? Because that is all right to have. You don't get the warning for that. Right. It's basically just the function prototype. Because that's declared in the other function. That's what we're calling. Let me look, right? Lib dot C. We're calling it, so add 10. And then we have this one. That's the wrong one, I guess. Right, so only that one. Yes, we got rid of it. Yeah. Put this back. And maybe I should just remember everything from this file. So let me copy and paste the library. And also the that. And move it out there. That would. Okay. And then I can just, remove it. And build it again. And move these build. Okay. Then run it. Oops. And I forgot about the cannon thing. That's what I'm gonna need. And I need add 10. It returns an int, and then exit with 10, 1, and 5. Whoops. And there's a no bite, and I messed another thing up. So, 2, 16. Why does it say that? Oh shoot, because you don't put those. There we go. Heap LRU. Q. Can't forget about the Q. Stack, of course, stacks. W linked list. So still get that. But now we have so we got 6. We have this. That. Right, so I'm doing this because I want to put it back, but it's just easier to work with that. Now I'm getting on the algorithms. Okay. Name it that to replace part of this column. If I add to that, and I also compile this one. Well, it doesn't matter. Like that. It's again. Oh shoot. Like that. There we go. Let's set up like that. O of n, yes. So we do that, and then can I look at it? Did that not work? And actually, break on instructions. Okay, let's see. So we load. These are the strings, and yeah, they are correct. So in the hate trees, I thought they gave me oxygen. They're giving me headaches. That's pretty fun. Now we're here. Oops. Right. Okay. We open it, and it is one of those. No errors. And then we call that, or we're setting it to it, right? So we're loading it in there. So why is that not part of it? It is a native, but it is an incorrect native, so that's not. Can I see? Here's the flags. That's fine. Is there? Mhm. That's the okay. It's the other the past. Yeah. Uh-huh. So it was working at one point. I don't remember exactly why it would not work now. Let me think. So if I actually if I go into this one and I make a oops, then does it recognize that? I don't do anything, it just does that. Why need to be a there is a no character. That's by the end, that's fine. Push-ups time? I suppose. If you see it does that. It doesn't do anything though. Yes, if you redeem them, then I will do push-ups for sure. So try to. Yeah, but if I put something in there. So that is what the issue is. Okay. That is not ready. Right? And that will output. Got to read that and then run it. And it does that. Okay, so that is so it doesn't recognize that. Why not though? Why it no work? So again, let me get rid of this. And let me run the command. Basically like this, but a bit different. It's gonna do lib.so as well as that. Yeah, this needs to be out.so. So I need backslash. Uh-huh. Okay. So it still calls the wrong one. I need to. I don't know. I want to link them together and then call that one. I don't need to do this then. And let's compile this one. We have that. And then dot slash there. Let's pop. What's that? It's actually as part of it. That is important. Is that part of the problem? It's gonna make it a lot larger, but so and then yeah, so let me go out here and move this. I don't actually want that. And then so lib.c I need to. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Past it, I think. Oh, yeah, right here. That's the one. This one. Okay. So I need to change the word. That shared. No, I want out. So, and then I want C and not so. Not slash for both. Okay. Something like that. Yeah, so now there's an issue with the thing I need, so. Because we're supposed to include a string view implementation here. We don't have it, so I need to basically just copy and paste it in here. We do have that in. Well, let me think. So I really want it all to be self-contained. I don't want to have another file. I can use the right here. Get out of here. Alright, actually doing it is not gonna work very well selected. That's what I want to do. There you go. I want to paste it in here using vim for it, so what the heck? I'm going to copy this. Let me use it because copy and paste does not work very well. Okay. And now try this. Okay, now it does that. So okay, there we go. And then it worked. So that is what we need to do. Alright, let me get rid of some of the stuff and then right, so I need to put in the right order first actually. Pass the can, it's right up here. Okay, so this needs to be, we do this first. We do the dash O. We do double view like that. Okay, and we put this one here, and then we need the other one. Well, actually, so it goes, this one goes here. Okay. Something like that, and then we'll do this. Let's see. No. Okay, what did I do it in a different order? I mean, it's, okay. What? What the? Right, so that is right. We had that. Why does it say this though? Not say it here. This is the same command. Well, let me get rid of the ggbb2. And run it in the same command. So dot so wait, that's the same. Huh? And it worked there. What happened? I don't quite. I don't understand. Nope. What? Okay, it works when I manually do it. What? I don't get it. It's the same, right? Okay. Right, so it's not actually executing it, it's just printing it out, but it doesn't execute it. Then it works. I do that as well. File, file that one. And run that, and it does update. This work when I run this. Am I forgetting a thing? Huh. Just stops with what? It's the same command. Well, okay, that's swapped around. Oh shoot, wait, no, that's the wrong thing. And where is the other one that I read? Right here, okay. So we do that. I don't get it. Right, we have this whole thing. What? Right, it's the same command being executed, so let's go back to not using that and instead use the output file name, right? So like this. Don't want that. Yeah, okay, yes. So I want that one. And that will be, yeah, that'll be the output. And then, yeah, we still do this here. And I want to push this now. Get rid of that one. Now that is the output, so I can move out that. So this is the final output that we end up with. Let's even do it the same. If I do it in this other order, it's not going to work, right? It does work. Okay, so the order doesn't matter then in that case. Okay, interesting. It's the same command as this. Alright, so I might want to use how do you spawn it again? Like where you see. Right, so what's the other way? Like there is a thing we can call that, it's not system. This one, is that gonna work? Wait, I want to print the output of it. Yeah. I don't think it was either of those. Yeah, it's P open. Okay. Let me try that instead of system so I can look at the output of it. So let's just do this here. And so I need a few things. Let me open this up. So show P open. Close. And I want to open the command, right? R. Okay, if firefighter no then could not run, and I will exit. Okay. Otherwise. Well, so that is getting into a path and then reading from it. Right, so I'll do this temporarily. Right, and I'll just make like a buffer, like how that one works. Yeah, and then you can sprint it out. Okay. I want to close command. Okay, and let's make just a path here. And do that. Okay. Let's try that. Will that work? Something happened to my font. Oh, I don't want to close command. I want to close the okay. Did not output anything. Okay, good run. And you didn't output anything. Okay. So we didn't get any output from that. But it ran it anyway. Because of this. No, it's not gonna be because of that, right? Let me do this again. So I don't need this. I can get rid of that. I can go back to the system because that works just fine. Variable path. Okay. Let me just compile it again. Shared. So, and let's see. And run this. So, okay, I do that one again. I do this as well. It still works. Huh. So that's not it. What the heck? Yeah, okay. It's a bit strange. I can replace this with the system again. And what the heck? It's the same command. I can copy it, paste the actual command, then run it again, and it works. Okay. Do I need a new line? It's like a weird thing with a new line. No. Where's the Dijkstra? I don't remember how to pronounce the name. Shortest path, I'll go there. I do not believe I'm using that one at the moment. What is that one again? I don't remember how it works. Let's see. How do you do this one? Right. Right. Okay. Create a set of those. Assign every node. Uh-huh. Looks like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah. I haven't gotten deep enough into algorithms that I would like to. I'd like to do, like, I don't think I've really implemented this one. And that would be cool to do. Like, make a visualization thing like this. Could use Raylive for that even. That could be fun. Yeah, I should do that. Not yet, though. Not yet. Okay. So why is it not working? Find out the command. And the return value. Would be -1. Okay. Love how you don't get burnout. Yeah. I mean, I used to get burnout a lot. But then I just kind of stopped doing that. I was just like, what if I just don't do that? And then I just stopped, you know? I mean, I saw days where I don't want to, don't want to do anything, but I just do it anyway. Termination, that is... Okay, so I can do that. That should return 0. It's not equal to 0. And wait. Right. I don't think it's failing. It is actually executing properly. Yeah, okay, so it's not failing. Just, I don't get it. I have to go pretty soon. So I want to figure that out. Right, so it doesn't matter, I'll go with that. Dash O, we have the... I copied the command exactly, so it's not saying the command. Am I overwriting it somewhere or something like that? I could even do this, before. And then, wait, is some of the... No, it's not that. Use that here instead of this. I just use that and put right here. Okay. But I don't get that, so I can compile it with the same command manually, and it doesn't work. Or and it does work, and I can do it in here, and it doesn't work. That's the name. It's not gonna be that though. Right, and that doesn't matter because we insert the null termination regardless, so we don't really need that. But I don't understand. So C, and it works. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? It's successfully running and it's creating the file, but it's just not creating it properly or something. I don't get it. Unless, well, we're pushing the proper things here. Right, you can look at that as well. The output, which I guess we see it in a minute, so. Output is that, right, and that's correct. It's an extra space. Yeah, let's put a space there. Yeah, one space. I don't get it. Right, I copy this command exactly, and then it works. Yeah. Right, put that in there. That's all correct. I'm running, and it exits with 10, as it's supposed to. And it can be updated as well, so I can go in here and I can update this, do that. That's in that. And do that, and since it's linking with it, wait, okay. Right, so I don't get it. What do I do? What do I do to make that work? I move that, so it doesn't work, right? Yeah. Mm, is it like a concurrency thing? I don't think so. I imagine it would not be that. And all of those are correct. I don't understand. Using the exact file that we're using here. So it's not anything with that. It's something to do with this, right? Like it doesn't recognize that properly or something. Like a directory thing? I don't think it would be that though. It's not giving any errors or anything. What if I add some weapons here? More flags. Right, if I run that IM to this one. We don't get any errors. Okay. Yeah, so I don't think it would change it. I don't understand. Yeah, without executing it, because it's coming it out. So what is causing it? I don't understand. Okay. Executes that. Puts the command in there. Yeah, let me look at that. Exactly. If I use that directly, will that need the path name and then the arguments. List of that. That represent the argument list available. Okay, it's very adding, right? Okay, I see. Could I do that? Right, they put each one individually. So exactly. So I want to execute GCC, right? And I want basically all of these. The last one's going to be a star of name, right? And we have I don't mean all those, so that one. This. HO. Like that. And then can't really put the string view in there. But we can, we do this, right? So this can be, so we have the output already, so that's fine. Put the output actually, that's fine. Then we need, the input file. And let's make it, like that. Then we have the input file. This is the secondary input file, right? So this can be X input file. And copy the input file from, okay, I'm using it. And do the same thing, but for this one. That, and then I'll do this as well. Data. Data. Landing data. No, data dot landing. There we go. And this goes into input file. Let me put that here. It doesn't have the order, I suppose. And then that's all of them. So if I do that instead, I did it wrong. It does do that. Did it execute it though? I no. Okay, so it doesn't execute. What is the return value of this? So here, return value, if it's negative, so if equals -1, then error is back, and error no, and exit with 1. So we get an error. Okay. We just need how do you get the not that? I forget. It's a switch. Okay, so that will work. And inner string. Stir error. Okay, right. So that is how you do that. I forgot. Okay, there we go. Then you can do that. No such file or directory. Okay, do I need to do like that? Okay, it's like that. Wait, let me go back here. That's the path name, and then we do like that. Okay. I didn't output anything, so that's not right, of course. It outputs 0. So did it? Oh, did it have an error? Or it just stops working? Why does it do that? It's -1. Wait, still supposed to continue on, but it did not. It crashed. Yeah, I have about 10 more minutes, so I want to try to get it working. Go back to this one. So this does that. C command, right. So this causes a crash. Either of those bring. Okay, so it does crash. Okay. Okay. Go back here and let me do right here the shell. And then do something like this. Well, okay. Maybe a continuous one. I guess it probably can, right? That one. Okay. That either. That. Okay. So what if I just put the whole command in here, right? Then it crashes when we do that. So I don't get it. Why is it not? It doesn't compile properly. And okay, this was compiled previously, so it's not anything to do with that either. But if I run it now, then do this, then it works. So when it gets compiled by the system, it's something to do with directness. It's got to be, right? How do you is it because it's executing from like this position or something, or this from here? How do I print the directory? Like that. Get current working directory. Yeah. Alright, so if I do that, get current working directory. Like that, right? Right. Yeah, okay. Equals 0, okay. Take it out. Let's do like this. Alright, that is the path. Okay, and that's the correct path. So, um, right, I kind of, it's just if it's being compiled by the program. So it's something to do with paths or something like that. Because why else? Let's see. So the command is correct. That is not. So I can get rid of this. Right? This. click output in the command. That's the output file name. This is the command that gets executed. Okay. The file track and all that stuff. So I don't know. I have no idea what it is. But I do have to go now. So I'm gonna figure it out before the next stream so that it's not yet another stream of work on it. So I'll work on it, and then the next stream, which will be probably a bit earlier tomorrow, I will hopefully have it all figured out. So I will also probably post an update or something. Maybe not, because I guess it's not very long, so never mind. I am dead. But not compile system. Okay, so I'll push that, and yeah, so I'll try to figure it out. I would like to have it figured out. But yeah, so I guess that's gonna be about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.